Hello and welcome to another episode of Resto-Rob. Today we're going to cover a tool haul. It's been from a couple of different shops, auction houses. So sit back, relax, and let's check out what kind of haul we got. Okay, first thing we got this paper slicer, something slicer. I've got a plan for this, so we're gonna see what we can do with this. This heart drill works. I need to get a charger for it, but that I got at the auction for $6. But we got this beautiful Black & Decker, so we'll have to eventually plug this in and test it out. No name ratchet, Stanley screwdriver. Here comes a Craftsman 1/4 inch spinner. Chinese, yep, China. Here we have an Ace Hardware, Felipe. Here is a Craftsman extension spinner. Another spinner. This one is a Blue Point spinner, 1/4 inch. Got one of these for testing nuts and bolts and nut and bolt gauge. New in the bag. So Isco socket. Pair of vice grips. 10LW. Look at these things. That's cool. We've got a Yankee, Stanley Yankee. Got 4 drill bits. Not bad. Yankee push drill. Popular Mechanics square bit. Craftsman flex head. We're gonna have to clean this one up. So yeah, this is boogered up. Craftsman, old-timey Craftsman long C extension. ½ inch. Look at this cute screwdriver, tiny. I'm gonna just leave that there. Putty spatula. Pair of slip joints. These are Velocek. You can see the little Velocek right there. Slip joint pliers. Made in the USA. Got a pair of Exolite strippers. Got a vintage tractor wrench. What's it say? .118ZO. Here is a Velicek. I think that's a Velicek. Yeah, that's a Velicek. Wrench. We'll clean that one up. Number 29. We've got a chisel. We'll have to clean that one up, find out what brand that is. Chisel head. Level. Pair of channel lock 420s. A Billings. A 1893 little wrench. Here we have a Hurst wrench. This one's been modified or fixed at one point. No, I think it was just, I don't know. Cool little fun wrench. Here we've got some snap ring pliers by Wald's True Mac plier number 22. Oh, look at that. It's a proto. Cool. An Upson. Kind of like a security bit. This fancy little screwdriver. What is this? A swivel socket. I can't make out what it is. We'll end up having to put that on the Thorson. The Craftsman. Probably Thorson. We'll clean that up, see what it is. I wonder what was eaten on that. A Par X. Phillips. Here we have Armstrong heavy duty flat blade. Then we have a Craftsman flat blade. So got a Stanley 199. Pair of Utica. Number 2. This could be one of those Chinese ones. I've seen these before, but a little wood handle screwdriver. It looks solid. So what is this? An Isco 1/4" drive. That's cracked. Budweiser. Got another bottle opener. This one is Werner's. Michigan brand Werner's. Here we've got a wizard. I don't know who likes wizards. And an Isco. Still more fun to come. Here we've got Snap-on. Chinesium. Oh wait, Klein. In the light you can kind of see the Klein right there. That's cool. Here's a Stanley utility knife. Here is a Taiwan version of the vice grips. We've got another Taiwan version. Locking pliers. Blue Point rivet kit. And we're missing the rivet gun. But we've got some rivets. Craftsman Flex Spinner. Ooh, this has seen better days. We'll have to clean that one up. Appears to be a fish scaler of some sort. I don't have any name or markings on it. Anybody know what that is? Let me know. Nothing is complete without the Heinz baby food jar of screws. We have sharpening stone. Nice one. Here we have Challenger. Ford. This is a Stanley tack puller. This is another tack puller. It's a fuller tack puller. Little tiny screwdriver. This, I'm not sure what it is. I think it says drop forged right there. We'll have to clean it up. See. Wood handle screwdriver. Pair of snips. Crescent tool. That new one on me. Here we've got I think this is another Velocek. Yep, Velocek. Fancy little hammer. Someone made a pretty cool chuck key. Craftsman Phillips. Craftsman. This is no name. Bit driver. Fancy bit. Craftsman. string thing. Paint roller cleaner, brush cleaner, spinner. Ooh, we've got a older Craftsman. That's probably 3/4 drive socket. And 1.25 inches. Great neck. Husky long flat blade. Here we have a Stanley. Probably another Stanley. Sears. No Name. And a China. A couple more tire pressure gauge. Here we have can't make out the name. Probably an Irwin. Number 3. One of these things. Cheap screwdriver. The Herald Tool Company. You ever see that before? Well, everybody, what do you think about that junk haul? So we got some pretty good stuff in there and some other stuff that probably could be but what do you think? Leave a comment below. Please like, subscribe. And until next time, stay safe and check you later. Check you later? Check you later? Who says that? Check you later.